Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing pumpkin spice pancakes. These are fluffy, spongy, and absolutely delicious. And I just can't wait for y'all to try this one. Alright, this is super easy. I did use the tin pumpkin here and the pancake mix. These days I'm just all about quick and easy because for me, I really don't have much time to spare these days. So we have our pancake mix. I'm going in with my pumpkin spice. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg. Now, if you guys want, you can make your pancake batter from scratch, but I ain't about to do that, not today. So I'm going to show you all the quick and easy way. So after you would have whisked everything in well, we are going to add our water. And not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. Then I'm going in with my pureed pumpkin. Absolutely amazing. This right here, guys, oh my gosh, it's super amazing. So after you melt your butter in your pan, you're going to add your pancake mix. Allow this to cook for about 4 minutes. As you can see, they're really thick on each sides. All right, and this is what it looks like. Perfection. And I know you guys are going to definitely enjoy this. You can taste the pumpkin spice. It smells beautiful in here. If y'all are here for the first time and have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment down below. Do not forget to hit that notification bell as well. All right, so thank y'all for spending the time with me today. And this was eaten with my latte, pumpkin spice latte. I'll leave the link to that as well in the description box. Love you guys. Bye-bye.